When you have carpets in your home, it keeps your home warm, definitely. It also makes it soundproof and also adds a beauty. If you use Persian carpet, for example, it really adds beauty to your house. We have several of these kind of carpets. This is one of them. This is another one. More here. Here. And here. And we have a lot more. And there are things you can do to make them last longer. For example, if you have cloth, you know that the moth will come and damage your cloth. They eat the fabric. They used to have it with the wool. These are made of wool also. They're original, traditional rugs made with real wood with natural coloring. So that's the reason you see them. We like them. And now, for protection against the moth, there are many ways. I'm trying this one this year. This is a sachet about, and I hope that I can put it easily under the carpet and just for protection. This is the Acana Sachet Moth-Killer and freshener with the smell of lavender. And yeah, they're made in Britain, so they must pass the health and safety. It's very good to use such things if you can. And I'm giving a go with this one just to see how it works. So if you see a little moth the size of a, little segment of your finger, that means that you need to actually use these sachets to protect your carpets, your rugs. And this is the one that about I think about 100 of it. Each sachet has 20. Multiple buying and you can get a discount on that. About 100, that means 5 packs, each 20 sachet, and for around £30. So it will last a long time, hopefully. Let me just open one and show you. So they use them for putting between your clothes or want to put it under the carpet and just use it like that. So there is this is actually, it smells nice, I like that. So what you will do, you have to remove each one of these, of course, is a sachet. You separate it, then you have to remove one of the aluminum sleeves. You don't perforate or make a hole in the what is underneath. I will show you. So that's the way it looks. It has perforations in it. You can see tiny holes. And when you do that, that sachet is ready to put between your clothes and wardrobe, but I can put it under my carpet. That's what I want to do. When it is not working anymore, when it is completely used, it changes color. Apparently, it seems that the color change will happen. So I will put it on the carpet, at least 2 under each carpet, depending on the size. So for this one, probably I will put 2. One in this end and one on that end, under it. So I lift the carpet and I place it here. And I will close this. As simple as that. I can use 2 more for here. So for this one, which is relatively smaller, I use only 1 sachet. I'll put it at the center. And I will cover. That works like you enclose the space. Now I will go to do this for all the other carpets that we have. So the difference between the start point and the end point is that the writing becomes more clear and in white. So we will be looking at that just to see how it is. In 3 months I will have a look at this. Okay, practically in 3 months, the period of the egg laying and everything of the moth life cycle of it will finish. So you will not probably don't need it to renew it until next year. Next year again in June, July, you may do it. This is what the UK will do in the UK. Elsewhere, you just see when they appear, you can just apply this method.